from me and my interesting hair. Just finished my workout, almost done with my coffee, and I brought my robe with me down to the gym. That way I don't have to walk back to my room to get my robe to shower. So now I'm gonna go shower, get ready, and I'll see you guys in a bit.
Good morning and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm Brooke and it is morning time. I've showered, got ready. Today I'm wearing this cute little top from Zara, and then I'm wearing these blue jeans from Levi's, and then I'm wearing these cute little shoes from Vince Camuto that I got from Nordstrom. They're basically the same shoes, like the little strappy heels I always wear. I typically wear the Steve Madden ones, which have, I think, like a 3 or 4 inch heel, and these ones just have the little short heel. And then Anne Klein little gold watch from Nordstrom also. And then these cute little hoop earrings with some little like Swarovski crystals in it that I got from Nordstrom Rack during Christmas time. So I'm just kind of starting to get hungry. I'm doing this new thing by accident, but I'm only eating like twice a day. I'm eating like big meals, but only, yeah, like twice, because every morning I'm basically like accidentally on like a liquid diet. Not on purpose. I start my morning with like a water bottle, and then I have 1 or 2 coffees, and then I have my kombucha, and then I have a ginger shot, and then I have my green juice, and then I drink liquid IV, and then another water bottle. So basically I'm like nonstop drinking excessive amounts of liquid from like 7 a.m. till like noon. So somehow that like fills me up. And so yeah, typically I'm not getting hungry till around 12 or 1. So I'm kind of starting to get hungry. I'll probably make something in the next like half hour. But yeah, because of that, I'm basically eating like brunch and then like dinner. So that's what I'm doing now. It's actually saving a lot of time not having to eat 3 times a day. Anywho, you guys, so one of my last videos, I can never remember when it was, but I was telling you guys about the West Elm chair saga, how they said they were delivering it. I was super stoked, and then it like didn't happen. So the chairs have arrived. I'll show you guys. Dun dun dun. So we have all 6 chairs. It does seem a bit crowded, and then because our table is like a tree stump, there's like parts here where like you can't even like fit your leg there, and then like even here, I mean, you're basically gonna have like part of a tree between your legs, and same with here, because like it's such a beautiful thing, but like this is gonna like stab you in the stomach if you get too close. This one's like all up in your business. So realistically, I think only like 5 chairs should probably be here. We haven't moved the other one downstairs, but I think that's the plan. Also, look, Darren got me 30 roses because he was like, it's for the 30 days a month that I love you. Isn't that cute? They're so beautiful, and they're so fragrant, which I absolutely love. He's been really killing it with the flower game recently, and I'm all about it. Also, updates with our AC unit. We are having to get our AC unit replaced. Well, we have 2 AC units. We have one that covers like one side of the house, and I think downstairs, and then the other one that covers like the other bedrooms and like the master bedroom and like the living room area. And unfortunately, it's the one that covers like the living room area and our master bedroom that's having the issues, and it's not cooling past like 72. And at night, unfortunately, it like during the day when it's super hot, it can cool down to 72. And then at night, when it's a little cooler outside, well, I mean, it's still hot outside, but it's much cooler, you know, at night versus during the day, the lowest it can get is like 75 or 76. And the dogs also sleep in bed with us, so it's like super hot. So that's not working out. So we are getting our AC replaced. We've had like 3 appointments. They keep having to get in the attic. They have to do measurements. They have to order things, and all of that's happening. So it is working out, but it's gonna be, I think, like 2 or 3 more weeks. And then I think I might have mentioned it to you guys, but in May, our front gate broke. Basically, someone accidentally drove into it, and so it works with the clicker, but like the code does not work. So yesterday, someone just came out and they fixed it. So now the code works, which is excellent, because like delivery people like UPS and Amazon and things like that, when we have packages, they weren't able to get in. Also, like our gardeners, our pool people, our pool guy, like they have to like park in front and like either like hop the fence or like call us, and like it's been a disaster. It's been like very difficult because we have to be home for everything, versus before they could just put in the gate code, come do what they need to do. So that's all fixed. Super happy about that. Then I also want to tell you guys about some Netflix things that we've been loving. So we recently watched DB Cooper, Where Are You? And that one was super interesting. So one of my favorite movies is Without a Paddle. And I thought that like in that movie, they're hunting down DB Cooper's treasure. And I always just assumed that that was some like make-believe type thing for the movie, but it's not. Like the DB Cooper like heist or not boat jacking. I think they call it skyjacking. Like that all happened. Like that is all like very real. So we watched that. That was super interesting. Also, it happened in like the 70s, and like key people in the investigation, we'll say, died like as recently as like 2016. Like this is like very recent. So it was super cool to watch that. We also watched The Girl in the Picture, also on Netflix. That one was also really good. I will say that one is definitely a lot darker. So if you're kind of looking for something upbeat, that's not the move. But that one was incredibly interesting.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down.
Just snuggling. Darren's making me coffee and just having a nice leisurely morning.
Good morning, it's the next day. My friend is on her way here right now, and we're gonna head up to Yuba City for a going away party for our friend that's moving to Spain. So just finished getting ready, curled my hair. This dress is from Abercrombie. First time wearing it, just got it like I think last month. And then I think I'm gonna use the same white Coach purse from yesterday, and then the same nude little sandals or like sandal heels as yesterday as well. I have the same shoes in black, but it's, it's summer. I want like something light and bright. So I decided I'm gonna wear the nude ones because it kind of, brightens up the look. But yeah, just wanted to check in with you guys, and I'll see you in a bit. So Amazon just delivered. Our pup's breath is terrible, and like I told you guys, we had to take him back to the vet to get like an actual cleaning. So we decided we're gonna try with like brushing their teeth ourselves, and then giving them like toothbrush type snacks, because they're smelly little babies. Yeah, you guys are smelly, huh? Collected. You go. Good morning. Or actually I need to spray this. It's the next morning. I don't know why I shook that. Yesterday was so much fun. It was so good seeing my friend, and there was like paella and like all these other little like Spanish foods, and it was, got that in my mouth. It was like a really good time. Had so much fun. And then drove back. Last night we ended up just watching some like true crime documentaries. I think it'd be considered true crime. They were like, it was called The Last Leonardo. It's on Netflix. I think it's on Netflix. And basically it's the story of a possibly fake like Leonardo painting that was found in like 2003 or something, and then is the most expensive painting to ever be sold at auction. I guess the original most expensive painting to be sold at auction was 180 million. This one sold for 450 million. Crazy, and they don't even know if it's real. Buck wild. So anywho, that was really good. We ended up ordering Mountain Mike's pizza. That was bomb. And then went to bed pretty early. Today, it's about 9:30. Still working on my coffee, straightened up the house, showered, and now I'm getting ready because in about an hour and a half, we are leaving to go horseback riding, and then we're gonna go paddle boarding later this afternoon as well. So really excited about that. Also want to show you guys, it's called the Glam Glow Setter, and it's this new makeup setting spray that I recently got. I heard about it from Brooke Michio, and she was saying she really liked it, and I was like, oh, you know, I actually haven't had a makeup setting spray in a few months because I ran out and just never bought one. I only remember every morning when I'm getting ready, and then I keep forgetting to actually buy one. So bought this one, and I actually like it a lot, and it smells really good too. But yeah, I forgot what I was gonna say, but getting ready, have a fun day ahead of us, and I will bring you guys along. So I was blow drying my hair, and then I remembered what I was gonna tell you guys. So Friday night, that place that I like brought you guys along to with all the beer, I was gonna tell you a bit about what that is because I never really addressed it. So that place, it's called The Bank. And it basically was an old bank, and then it was purchased, and it was like transformed into like a bar. So now, so it has 4 stories. So the 4th story is rented by like, I think it's like some law offices and stuff. The 2nd story is that that kind of bar that I showed you guys, and that's like kind of like higher end like whiskey bar, and then it has like that huge like balcony area that overlooks the 2nd floor. On the 2nd floor, there's another full bar, and then all around like the back edge is a bunch of different like food vendors. So kind of like a cafeteria type situation. You can go buy the food and then eat in like the common area. And then the bottom floor, or like the basement, that's where like all the beer is. So like it has the main room, and then it has 2 vaults. And so it has the big vault, and it still has like the vault door and everything. You can see how intricate it is, super cool. In the vault, that's where we were playing Jenga. That's where like the cornhole is, and like a lot of the games, and there are tables in there. The other side of the room where the other vault is, that's the smaller vault. And that one's more like, that's where you have to like reserve it, and that's for like groups that have like scheduled. Then in the main room, that's where like it's lined by like all of those beer taps, and they have beer, they have cider, they do have some wine like in a different area. And I showed you guys that big long wall, but they do have other sections in there, like in that downstairs area, that have even more taps. And you like walk around and you see like what type of beer you want, and then you can tap the screen and it gives you like a description of it, because first it just shows like the brewing company and like what it is and the type of beer, or the name of the beer and then the type of beer it is, and then you can tap the screen and it gives you like a true description of like the like flavor profile. And then if you want it, you can use your little bank card and buy some. So if you are not from Sacramento, or you find yourself in the Sacramento area, definitely check that place out. It's super cool. And yeah, really neat experience. Breakfast is ready. Darren's sharing with me. So I have hash browns, and under here is cheese and sour cream. So there's stuffed hash browns and the egg bites. We've packed the bag for paddle boarding. So in here is just basically a bunch of like cooler packs and waters. And then we've got our towels, my sandals, and then we have our dry bag. And so in here I have like my cover up, sunscreen, speaker, And then Darren has his swimsuit and such. And then he's already loaded up the paddle boards and the new pump into the car. So that's gonna be so nice. We're finally gonna get to try that out. Oh, I need to bring my sunglasses. Can't forget about that. But yeah, we need to leave. I'm sorry, my apron. So we need to leave in the next like 15 minutes. So I'm gonna hurry up, get ready, and I'll see you guys at horseback riding. Oh my gosh, horseback riding was so much fun, and it's only a 5-minute drive from where we go paddleboarding. So now we are here, and we're just getting everything ready. We have our new pump. We're pumping up the first paddleboard, Darren's changing, and then I have the second one here that I'm gonna do. So everything's going well, and I'll see you guys on the water. We've got one all blown up, the other one almost done. Hey guys, happy Monday. I realized I never ended off the vlog yesterday, so popping in just to end things off. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe below, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to head over to my channel and check out some of the playlists. Thanks again guys, and I will see you in the next one.